everyone, welcome back to Kill Switch. My name is Ayush. We are again in Hyderabad today and we are heading towards the financial district. I wanted you guys to see this part of Hyderabad and look just how beautiful it is and how good the infrastructure really is. So we have a small signal over here. I'll meet you guys after the signal. So yeah, the signal just opened and I am going to take left. We are heading towards Kondapur. We are in Narsingi. I don't know much about the areas in Hyderabad. So Google Maps says that the name of this area is Narsingi. So this person he just popped up. He doesn't know how to ride. Okay, so yeah, we are going towards Kondapur today. It should be taking me another, let's say, 15 to 30 minutes to go towards Kondapur. Time right now is around 6:30 p.m. I keep trying, I keep try to, change the camera angle and, just to make sure that you guys can see my handlebar as well as you guys can see the instrument cluster and you guys can also see the road and the skyline. So I just try to get everything on the video. I use a DJI camera and usually whenever I record anything for YouTube, I keep it in the ultra wide mode. So we will take this route which will take us to Gachibowli and then to Kondapur. So I'll take this ram on the right. And then we will be connecting to one of the expressways. So we will be connecting to this expressway. Let me So fun fact about this expressway, they don't allow bikes. Unlike the nice road in Bangalore which does allow two-wheelers, this doesn't allow two-wheelers and three-wheelers. Only on this part of this expressway. I think the expressway has ended. That's why only on this part of the expressway you can enter using a motorcycle or if you are in an auto rickshaw. We are going to go straight. We have to go towards Gachibowli and then to Kondapur. So just enjoy the view. Just look at the infrastructure of Hyderabad, how well they are making. Hyderabad, traffic is not much of an issue, as you guys are seeing. I don't have to wait much on any of the signals, even the signals of wherein I have to wait. That is just around 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, traffic is there. It's not an empty city. So yes, people will be there, traffic will be there, but yeah, it's a moving traffic, so it's pretty much manageable. This truck, I go past them. Okay, so that was too much dust. That is why I had to speed past him. We are, again, if you just skip some part, we are heading towards Kondapur, and it should be another 5 to 7 minutes, and I will be reaching my destination. Not 5 to 7 minutes, it should be around 10 minutes. You can see this area of Hyderabad as well. This somewhat looks like HSR of Bangalore. You can say that. A little bit of resemblance to HSR. But then again, you know, HSR is good and beautiful in its own way, and this area is good and beautiful in its own way. So okay. There is Starbucks, there is, I think this is, okay, so it's the Meridian Hotel. ये होटल है ना? I'm not going to take the flyover, I'll take the road on the left. Alright, I will meet you guys after this traffic is over. So finally I think I'm going to take left. I just skipped around 3 to 4 minutes of traffic. In front of you, the mall which you see after the flyover, that's the AMB mall. Now I am going to take left. This is going to take me towards Kondapur, towards Sri Ramnagar. Okay, this is one of the, on your left, what you're seeing is one of the most, famous, recently became famous tourist spots of Hyderabad, which is Botanical Garden. I personally love this place. You should definitely take a walk over here, especially in the morning when it is less crowded. You can see peacocks, you can hear so many birds. The vibe is so good in the morning. So everyone, so we are at the Botanical Garden Road and we are heading towards Kondapur. So I think that would be it for today. I will meet you guys really soon with a new video, and a couple of next videos are going to be about Hyderabad. As I had mentioned earlier, I will be doing cities, and then in one city I'll be having multiple areas. So you would have seen my earlier video of Hyderabad. This is my second video in Hyderabad, and just keep subscribe to my channel. Just keep looking for the videos. meet you guys. Bye bye.